Welcome back, friends. We are talking about prokaryotic cells and we are talking about cell wall of the prokaryotic cells. So cell walls are made up of peptidoglycan, and peptidoglycan, we all know peptidoglycan is a polysaccharide like cellulose and glycogen, and peptidoglycan is made up of short monomers which are mainly of NAC and NAM. Let me write it here, NAM and NAC. So what is NAM and NAC? These are special sugar derivatives, and NAM for N-acetylmuramic acid and NAC for N-acetyl glucosamine. So peptidoglycan will be made up of these two types of monomers. What is monomers? We all know monomers are the single units which comes together and joins to form a polymer, which is peptidoglycan here. Just like more than one amino acids will join to form a chain which is called as polypeptide chain, and that polypeptide chain will fold to form proteins. So this was all about cell wall. Cell wall is made up of this peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is made up of NAM and NAC. Okay. So basically this was all about cell wall. After that, this cell wall can be of two types in bacteria. Just like depending upon the type of cell wall, this bacteria can be classified into two types, like gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. So what is the difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria? So to understand the procedure, how we classify bacteria into these two categories, we need to understand how we stain the bacteria. Stain means color. We have to color the bacteria, and depending on the type of the cell wall of the bacteria will take some color and indicate, that color will indicate us that which type of bacteria is present. Whether it is gram positive, it will take purple color or violet color, which is gram stain, and gram negative type of bacteria will be seen pink in the microscope. So we microbiologists do gram stainings, and gram stainings, by performing gram staining we can identify the type of bacteria which is gram positive, or either it is gram negative type of bacteria. So that is what you are going to study in higher standards. But keep in mind that bacteria are mainly of two types, which is gram positive and gram negative bacteria, and this cell wall is different gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So this is the difference between gram positive and gram negative. What is the main difference between positive and negative is that positive cell wall, positive gram positive bacteria cell wall contains more layers of peptidoglycans, and gram negative cell wall contains less layer of peptidoglycan, up to 2 to 3 layers of peptidoglycan, and in a positive cell wall there are up to 60 layers of peptidoglycan, and in gram negative cell wall there will be another layer above that peptidoglycan, which is of lipopolysaccharide. So there will be two layers present. One is peptidoglycan, and above that peptidoglycan there will be lipopolysaccharide layer. But positive cell wall do not contain that layer, and only they have peptidoglycan, but the peptidoglycans layer will be more than negative type of bacteria. So that is the basic difference between positive cell wall and negative type of cell wall. So prokaryotic cells do possess this cell wall, which makes bacteria more rigid, After that, they also contains one layer which is of glycocalyx layer, and some bacteria also have the capsules which provides more rigidity to the cells. So this was all about the prokaryotic cells and their organelles and their genetic material. One thing I forgot to mention is that prokaryotic cells also contain some inclusion bodies. In those inclusion bodies, they store some materials. So that is what all about prokaryotic cells. I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much.